Apple picking.
Tougas family farm.
Oh.
Yay. We are going to do apple picking. Alright, and we are at the Tougas family farm with Lena going to pick some apples. Right now. Look how many people, and look how many different varieties of trees here. Yeah. So, oh, look at those apples over there. Oh, you see?
I don't know how many I
Yeah, it's so cool. Oops. Alright, yeah, let's go right here. Woo, look at that. Look how many. Wow. Oh, look over there. Over there, let's go. Oh, look at those apples. Over there. So cool. One apple. One apple.
There's so many apples on the tree.
And then nice. Yes, they're still nice. Oh, yum.
Oh, these ones.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's start picking. Those are nice. I wonder what kind of a variety is that. Yeah, you can eat it. I'm gonna eat one too. Just try to pick it without the stem, okay, honey? Oh, okay. Well, that one's running. All right.
Runaway apple.
Runaway apple. That's a good one. Yeah. All right, so put it down. Well, let's try. I also want to know what kind.
These are
Let me
pink
see.
lady.
Pink lady. I like pink lady. Okay. All right, let's do it.
3.
All right, guys. I bet you're jealous.
No. No.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's so good. All right, touch them. Those are really good. All right, let's start picking and eating. First you eat, you fill up your belly, then you pick. That's my strategy. Elena, look at me. That's an interesting pose. All right, that's a good one. Yeah. Nice. Hold on. Very cool.
Not really. Would you say this is good?
Yeah, probably not.
It looks good.
Yeah. There's some good ones here, Elena. You wanna pick? These trees are filled with apples, and they're like skinny. You can't even tell that they're trees. It's like a pretty much branch. They all grafted, I think. Yeah, well, comes from here. And then they do the like a levels of branches. Here's one level. There's 2, I guess. I don't know. Oh, look at that! So this is 20 pounds. 20-pound bag. We paid $49. It's a little pricey, but it's experience, and the apples are really delicious, and it's worth it for sure. Anytime. Yay.
I love apples.
Me too.
And also bananas.
Me too. I like grapes too.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Really making me hungry for fruits.
I know. We're gonna have some ice cream soon. Apple ice cream. Wow. Those over there.
Yeah.
So good.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
That's good.
I think we filled it all up. Good. All right. Are we ready?
Yeah. Maybe like one more apple.
One more apple. All right, you pick that apple.
Okay.
How about that? Hold on.
Alright.
I'll film you how you're picking your apple.
Okay, this is.
All right, this one.
Okay, so. Okay, one more is good.
All right, we're going for one more.
I want a red one.
Oops, hold on. Sorry, shaking camera here. Decisions.
There's some there's people there.
Well, there are plenty of here, honey. Look at this one. This one over there. Or maybe over there, where you can reach.
I can reach up to here.
Okay, perfect. So pick something from there.
I'm also looking at this. Ooh.
Nice one. Wow. That's a really good apple you picked. Now I just have to carry this 20-pound bag. You're gonna be carrying it. You won't be carrying it. I'll be carrying it. Well,
I hope your back will be okay.
I don't know. We'll find out.
Wait, can I eat one?
Yes, I'm going to eat too. Actually, how about this one right there? Do you guys want some? Anyone? It's so delicious. Love them. It's like the best way to eat fruit right from the tree or from the branch or from its source. It's full of energy. Yeah.
This is good.
It is. All right, we've been here like 5 minutes. We filled up the bag. We're ready to go have our ice cream.
It's easier than strawberries because strawberries are little.
Yeah. Strawberries was fun. Remember those quail? We saw the quail running around through the strawberry field. That was adorable. All right, are you ready? All right, we're ready. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye.
See you when we eat ice cream. Bye.
That's right. Bye. We are at the store. Right now, at the store. On the farm. We're gonna get some ice cream. What kind of ice cream are you getting, Elena?
Chocolate with rainbow sprinkles.
Nice. All right, I'll think about it. I'm getting. They have some nice apple cider here. Very cool. Finally. Oh, what's happening? Hold on. Okay, not shaking. There we go. Oh, we got a bee here. Nice ice cream. We got strawberry and chocolate, rainbow sprinkles. Yay. Yum. What's in your nose? Huh? Chocolate ice cream. Yeah.
Is there a problem there, ma'am?
No problems. We're just gonna show where we got this. So it's right there. That's where you get your food or ice cream. It's a nice little store there with all kinds of little goodies. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. Everybody left from this place because they're closed. We were the last one to get our veggie burger. So we had a veggie burger. Then we had a cheeseburger. And that's it. It was yummy. I have no idea how I'm gonna eat this ice cream. It's way too much. So that's that. We had so much fun. Yay. And there is a nice playground that we love so much.
What?
Nice playground. Oh, okay. We used to come here when Elena was really little and she was playing on that little truck. There's a beautiful sunset. And there's like a little house, well, not little, it's actually a brick house there. It's probably, I'm assuming, the owners, whoever owns this farm. They must have the most beautiful view of the farm. It's a pretty big farm. Here we are. Oh, look, that's gonna be a pretty picture.
So, I'm gonna play a little.
Yes.
So I'm
yes,
gonna play a little bit on the big structure, not the tiny.
Ah, okay. That sounds good.
And then I will go home.
And then we'll go home, yeah. And you have a chocolate all over your face. Chocolate ice cream. Alright. The sun is shining so cool right behind you. I love it. That's really cool. Wow.
Alright,
Alright, go play. Sounds good.
Okay.
That was funny. It's our favorite thing to do here. Alright, are you ready to go? Chocolate nose, you ready to go? One more? Alright, go for one more and then we'll go. Alright?
One more and then that's it.
Alright. And we are up to the blueberry. We are very tall. Almost up to the blueberry. There's still raspberry though.
Tiny bit raspberry.
Yeah.
Like the top of raspberry.
And me? What am I?
You're up to the second blueberry.
Second blueberry. Hey. Alright. Okay. Alright, well now we are going home. We had fun. Is this the asteroid? Are we seeing this?
Why is there an asteroid?
Oh my god.
There's
Elena,
an
this is
asteroid.
it. We finally got the glimpse of it. Or is this a plane? How do we know?
No,
This is not a plane. This is the asteroid. Do we have cars behind us? Because I'm like standing there really in the middle of the road. No? Okay.
Yes, now yes.
Oh yes, alright, we're going. Alright, we stop somewhere else. Alright. Alright, it's over there. We're seeing an asteroid and we are not even going to analyze if it's a plane or if it's not plane. It's an asteroid. For today, that's what it is. Right, Elena?
Yes.
Yep, it's very beautiful. We're seeing it and we're enjoying it. It's like shiny. Oh, here's another one. Oh man, I'm afraid I'll have to downgrade this to a plane. There are two asteroids. Okay. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna stop. No, that's it. Alright.